Entirety of human historical civilization can be likened to an immense DNA chain, yet due to various reasons, this DNA chain is experiencing damage. This project aims to invite people from diverse ethnic and cultural backgrounds to collectively use their cultural memories to repair this DNA, resisting the decline of civilization together. In this project, participants can upload their cultural memories of cultural heritage that is on the verge of disappearing or being damaged using various interactive methods such as sound, still images, narration, gestures, and more. Additionally, leveraging the advantages of augmented reality technology in perceiving physical space and shared attributes. This piece can seamlessly integrate with the physical environments of historical museums and cultural institutions.